Have you ever wanted to change your life but you didn't know how? Have you always been interested in the law of attraction but you didn't quite know how to utilize it? Have you tried to create a positive reality by thinking happy thoughts but it's led you nowhere? Well, then you've come to the right place. Hi, I'm April and welcome to my channel. There's a lot of information out there about the law of attraction. Some of it's really vague and it doesn't go into specific ways to utilize the law of attraction. And some of it's so complicated that it just makes my brain want to explode. So my goal is to teach you how to use the law of attraction to make your life better. I've written books and I've facilitated workshops on the law of attraction, and I'll be posting videos in order to help you learn how to harness this powerful force. So make sure to like and subscribe and turn on notifications because I'll be posting new videos every week. You can go to my website to learn more, maybe pick up a book or download a free PDF. Before I go, please comment below, introduce yourself, and let me know if there's a video that you'd like to see on the law of attraction, because I'm taking requests. By the way, I'll also do videos on how the law of attraction can benefit addiction recovery. Shout out to the ladies at WestCare because they're the ones who are fighting addiction every day, and that's not an easy thing to do. Those are W's. Those are W's for WestCare Warriors. Is that corny? I'll see you soon. There's no light on, it's not recording.